What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I'm out here in a gorgeous theater room in Virginia. We are rocking a full 7.2 subwoofers and 6 Atmos speakers, 7.2.6. And we're running that JVC RS2000 native 4K projector with that inky DILA chip. And we are broadcasting onto a massive 170-inch Screen Innovations pure white 1.3 gain screen. I know that was a lot of information, guys. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. We offer a free design service and we would be happy to consult with you and find products that fit your exact needs and budget. So don't be intimidated by all that verbiage. I'm also going to do a walkthrough on this entire space here and show you exactly where everything is, why we did it, the equipment that's powering it, and all that good stuff. But this particular video is about just a demo. I want to show it off to you guys. Take the camera around the room so you can actually feel as if you were sitting in this theater room. What do we have as far as dimensions here, sir?
16 by 29.
16 by 29 feet. This is a really nice sized theater. We got 2 rows of seating and a bar at the back. All right, guys, if you would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed. All right, let's get into this demo. Alrighty, guys, we are going to play a demo for you. This is Avengers Infinity War. I'm sure you guys have seen this one before. It's very popular. All right, let's go.
Certainly not, I speak for myself. Trespassing in this city and on this planet. Please get lost, Squidward! Dude embarrassed me in front of the wizards. I'm sorry, I can't, or he won't, or like, I don't... Hey, stand down. Keep an eye on him.
What's up, Mr. Stark?
Kid, where'd you come from?
Your powers are great. You must be popular with the children.
It's a simple spell, but quite unbreakable.
Then I'll take it off your corpse.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on that demo. I hope that you enjoyed it and you found this video inspirational and you setting up your own theater. This is a killer setup and I really thank the client for having me into his home. If you would like to see more videos like this, make sure you smash that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up on this video. We are going to be releasing a ton of content all around Virginia and many other parts of the United States, giving you guys inspiration on what you can do in your own home theater. Now, we do carry the industry-leading products with the lowest price guaranteed in nationwide free shipping, as well as a free design service. And we are working on building up our preferred partner network throughout the entire nation. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. Give us a ring and show your support. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.